why a 15x15 white dance floor with a custom vinyl decal is a stunning choice for weddings at Canyonwood Ridge. Here is the thing. If you want your wedding to feel unique the moment guests walk into the room, your dance floor can make all the difference. It's more than a place to dance. It's the centerpiece of your reception. Canyonwood Ridge is known for its breathtaking hill country views and elegant reception space. A 15x15 white dance floor paired with a custom vinyl decal fits that modern upscale style perfectly. It creates a clean, timeless look that blends beautifully with almost any wedding color palette. Nobody tells you this, but one of the easiest ways to personalize your wedding is with a custom dance floor decal. Add your names, monogram, wedding date, or a custom design. It instantly turns your first dance into something that feels completely your own, and it looks incredible in every photo and video. A 15x15 dance floor is a great choice for many weddings. It gives guests plenty of room to celebrate while keeping the dance floor full and inviting throughout the evening. The energy stays high because everyone naturally gathers in one place. We take care of delivery, professional setup, vinyl decal installation, and teardown after your event. Every quote is customized based on your venue, event, schedule, and design, so you'll know exactly what's included before your wedding day. If you're getting married at Canyonwood Ridge and want a dance floor that's elegant, personalized, and unforgettable, send us a quick message. We'll help you choose the right size and send you a fast quote with real photos, so you can picture exactly how everything will look on your big day.